Today, we're unlocking the power of website analytics by installing Google Tag Manager, or GTM, directly onto your WordPress site. First, head over to the Google Tag Manager website and sign in with your Google account, or create one if you don't have it. Once you're in, click Create Account Now, fill out the account setup form, and then give your container a descriptive name. Like your website's name, select Web as the target platform, accepting the terms and conditions. After creating a GTM account, you will have a GTM XXXXXXX code now. Switch gears and log into your WordPress dashboard in the left-hand menu. Navigate to Plugins and then click Add New. Next, search for a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers and install it. Activate the plugin after installation. Now, go to Settings and then click Insert Headers and Footers. You'll find sections for scripts in header and scripts in footer. Go back to your Google Tag Manager account. Copy the code snippets and paste the first one into the scripts and header section of the Insert Headers and Footers plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Then, copy the second code snippet and paste it into the scripts in footer section. Save the changes you've made. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your WordPress site. From here, you can deploy tags, track conversions, and understand your website visitors' journey. Explore the possibilities.